Hello my young friends. Now we'll discuss vector in 3 dimension. Look at the picture. We are taking 3 dimension, one along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis. There are 3 dimensions here. So this is our 3D picture. Here we are taking 3 unit vectors. We define I, j and k. What is I? I is the unit vector along x-axis. J is the unit vector along y-axis and k is the unit vector along z-axis. Now we are taking a point P in 3-dimensional space whose coordinates are x, y, z. That means OA is equals to x unit, so that vector OA is equals to x I cap. Now OB is equals to y unit and vector OB y j cap, and OC is z. OC vector is equal to z into k cap. So therefore we get OP is equals to OA, then AQ. Actually OQ is parallel and equal to OB, and OB is YZ. Therefore AQ is equals to YJ cap. This is XI and this is YJ. And now from Q2 we'll move parallel to Z-axis, that is QP. So finally we are getting vector OP. This is the initial point. We move first along x-axis to reach at A, that is XI unit, and then we move to YJ along AQ, which goes to Y into J cap, and then from Q to move to P, and that is ZK. So now when you add these 3 vectors, we'll get vector R. R is the along OP. We define a 3-dimensional vector xi plus yj plus zk. So magnitude of R is equals to root over x square plus y square plus z square. How it comes? Look at this picture. Along OX and OY, we have x unit and we have y unit, and this triangle AQ is a right angle triangle. So you can define this is x and this is y, this is OA and this is so this much is x, this much is y, and you can name it Q. So OQ is root over x square plus y square. So you get length of OQ is root over x square plus y square. Now look at this again. We are getting in triangle OPQ. It is again a right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. So OP is a hypotenuse. So now OP is equals to then, or say OP square is equals to OQ square plus PQ square. Now OQ square is equal to x square plus y square, and PQ is z, so it is z square. Therefore OP is equals to root over x square plus y square plus z square. So that is our mod of OP or mod of R. Now, if you define a unit vector, along R cap is equals to vector R by magnitude of R. Vector R is xi, yj, zk, and vector R this is root over x square, y square, z square. Now here x by mod R, you can say it is cos alpha. What is alpha here? Alpha is the angle between OP and x-axis. So this is our alpha. Another relation we get y by mod R, and this is cos beta. So angle between OP and this. Or you can draw the diagram here. This point is P, this is vector R, this is x-axis, so angle is alpha, this is y-axis, this angle is beta, this is z-axis, this angle is gamma. Therefore, R is equals to, as usual we get mod R into I cap, y by mod R into j cap, z by mod R into k cap, and this becomes cos alpha I cap, cos beta j cap, cos gamma k cap, and this is denoted by L, I, M, J, and Nk. So Li plus Mj plus Nk define a unit vector where L, M, N are called direction cosines, and sum of their square is equals to x square, y square, z square by x square, y square, z square, and epsilon 1. Let P be a point whose coordinates are 1, 2, and minus 2. We define a vector R as I cap plus 2j minus 2k cap. J cap. So what is this magnitude? Magnitude of R is equals to root over, here we compare with xi, yj, zk cap. Here x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, and z is equals to minus 2. So we are getting formula x square, y square, z square. So 1 square, 2 square, minus 2 whole square. So this becomes 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to root over 9, and that is equals to 3. Therefore, unit vector r cap is equals to I by 3, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, k cap, I cap. So here the direction ratios are direction ratio and direction cosine of vector r is equals to I plus 2j minus 2k. Direction ratios are 1, 2, minus 2, and direction cosines are 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. And if we check the sum of the squares of this, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1 by 9, 4 by 9, 4 by 9 is equals to 9 by 9 is equals to 1. So it is coming that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So the direction cosines are 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.